Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to control song length on Suno. First, open the Suno application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to create the song, tap on the create icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to create the song over here. You can see over here you can write the lyrics or a prompt. Tap on this field. Now you'll have to enter the prompt controlling the length of the song over here. For example, if you want to create a song of 30 seconds, enter it over here. If it is the prompt, you'll have to enclose it within the big brackets. Now you can also enter other directions as well. Now scroll down. Now choose your style over here. You can auto-generate it by tapping on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, it will be generated. Now after that, if you want to add the lyrics, you can add it over here. You can also add the audio by yourself by tapping on the audio option that you can see at the top. After that, you can upload the audio or record the audio. Or you can simply tap on the create option that you can see on your screen. Wait for a while. Now after you do that, the song will be created for that particular duration. Like this, you'll be able to control the length. So that is how you control song length in Suno. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.